Hello and welcome. I am Mikey AI, and I have a bunch of free templates for you for n8n. n8n has a bunch of free templates for you, but more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how to use them. So this is the Google Drive that you could get access to from my link from my website here. You could go to my website or you could go to the n8n website. There's a bunch of workflows there for free. Okay. But when you get into my Google Drive, I have curated this link. I've curated this list, excuse me. And I have also made it easy for you by putting it into a spreadsheet as well and individually separated. And then it does kind of give a little bit of a list of what these individual workflows do. So you can go to mikey.ai and you can get access to this curated list, right? You also, of course, can always go to n8n.io to get a free list that's constantly updated. This number is constantly updating, right? I am constantly giving out what I'm working on with my clients and a curated list. Now, when you get into there, if you either go through their website or mine, for example, this is a text file. So you could actually just open up this text file, literally scroll, keep scrolling all the way down, copy the whole thing, right? Copy it, copy. Well, I can't right click, but I copy it and then you can go into n8n and then you can simply paste. And then there it is. So you could do that with any JSON file, any JSON workflow. If you've used Claude or if you've used other AIs, that's going to be the easiest way to do it by being able to just copy and paste into there. You could also download. So these, if you just download these and then actually change the name to .json, then you could just upload it into uh, into n8n. So if I change the name to .json, use .json, and then where did I save that? In downloads. Okay, so then I go to my workflow here, click on the three dots, import from file, just making sure because I didn't know these things when I first started. I didn't even know that I didn't know I could paste, all this stuff. So for me is helpful. So and then go to downloads and then I can import and then boom, you can see that it just imported that JSON file. So these are all in my Google Drive, mikey.ai. You can get access to that Google Drive again. n8n.io has a ton of them. I have a curated list. I do not sell these. People comment all the time, why are you selling it? I'm not selling any of these. These are free. Okay. Now, I do have a service that if you want all of these uploaded immediately into your account, then I can definitely hook you up and help you out there. Okay. But I'm not selling any of these. So please don't get it twisted. All right. In this spreadsheet, this is the top 40 I went through of the n8n list, and it's the top 40 of everything that I believe would be the most beneficial to start out with, start learning from, to start going through, anything like that. And then over here is some more customized ones. Again, I'm always adding to this. So, of course, there's really two methods just to cover it. You can import from your file or you can paste directly into here to be able to get these workflows into your n8n account. Of course, I do have a service where if you want them uploaded, you can do that. But these are all available for you to do. And then, I'll go into much other videos about what these workflows are and how they work and things like that, because each one has a different purpose. Extract data from a resume to create a PDF, extract audio files, summarize with ChatGPT 4 store and Notion, right? So all of these are named very specifically for what it is they do and how it works. We got some people. What's up? How you guys doing? Hi there. Hey, how you doing, Mike? Honestly, this is the best content over the internet. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. So anyway, so we got a bunch here that is going on. So definitely check those out. Use AI to organize to-do lists in the inbox. I'm just kind of randomly quickly going through this just because honestly, I just want you to understand that these are in here and how to use them because a lot of people download the list and they have no clue how to use them and what to do with them. So that's the main purpose of this video was simply that. I just wanted you guys to know that I have a curated list, Mikey.ai. I do not charge for any of those things. You'll never be charged for any of my workflows. That's the whole point. I want to help you guys out. It helped me out by finding workflows. So I'm just sharing what I found and then what I'm building. And then also, I do have an upgrade service. If you want them dropped into your account via your API, then I can just drop all of these. I have hundreds and hundreds that I can drop into your N8n account immediately. And then also, obviously, N8n has upgraded workflows. All you can go and be a creator and upload your workflows to the website to N8n and all this stuff. So go check that out as well. But check out my list. If you have any questions about workflows, honestly, let me know what it is you're working on. I love to build workflows for you live. That's why I'm pushing myself to do all these live videos. For one, it's easier to make videos when you go live. For two, then I can start building things out for people as they're commenting, things like that. So I appreciate you guys joining me. Do not hesitate to reach out to me at any point. Real quickly, again, we got Mikey.ai where you can go and grab the free list of curated things that I have, right? And then there's, of course, n8n.io, which has tons and tons and tons of free, amazing stuff for you to check out. And then I just curate the best of from there that I think is the best. And then you really just want to, once you get into my list, you can grab these, you can copy and paste them into your N8n, or you could download them, change into a JSON file, upload them, or you could use the spreadsheet. You could create a workflow in N8n to upload from the spreadsheet. It's up to you, okay? But I'm here to help. Let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing great. Hope your building's going well. Chat me up, hit me in the comments. I'd love to know who's watching. Peace out. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day.